Welcome. As you watch this whole video, I invite you to take action now and get a $1,500 credit Tradeline. Yes, this is a generated version of myself. Please allow yourself to feel comfortable. In the future I will get into green screen technology, so you can personally see me in these videos. For now, here is the $1,500 credit Tradeline. Click the link in the description.
Hey, what's going on, guys? And this is number 4 Tradeline of the Tradeline series 1 through 4. It took a while for me to get this one going. Had a lot going on with work and the new baby, and I haven't been feeling too good. But it's called Hut and Chase. Sorry if I sound winded. I was doing my little workout, and I'm trying to get this done before I go to work. It's Hut and Chase. You get a guaranteed approval up to $1,500 credit line. No application necessary. Let's click on it and see. So you apply for a membership right here, and I'm guessing the premise of this is you add about $100 worth of stuff to your shopping cart, and when you check out, I'm assuming you would apply. This is dope. Nice cookware set. I don't know if the quality is all that good, but we can just try to run this and see. And I will have to need more things. A 40-inch, 240. Is that a good price? I want like a 50-inch. We'll just go with that for demonstration purposes. So basically, I'll proceed to check out. Should I run it? Should I run it? I don't want an inquiry. I don't know if I should run it or not. Application left back. Credit will accept valid security numbers. We do not accept credit privacy numbers or CPNs. Malarkey. I would run it anyway to see what they say. But basically, this is the last of me talking about these merchant accounts. The reason I go by these because these are the ones recommended when you buy your CPN. But these are primary accounts, and I do have a connect with the Tradelines now. I'm trying to set up a video time to shoot with the guy. He's going to mainly be on camera, and he's going to tell you more about the Tradelines. He knows more about it than I do. And the thing with Tradelines is they will stick on your credit for about 60 days, and they'll fall off, but you will retain the history and the limits with that Tradeline. So the reason I run these by you first because they are primaries, and they're not expensive as a Tradeline. So Tradelines will start to get high in price depending on the type of card and the amount. So that's why I run these by you first, because they are primary and they're easy to get, and they're easy to start building up some equity and a score for your CPN. I'm just trying to fill it out quick as I can. And this is a CPN I bought for someone else. I'd rather try it with hers first before I do mine. So it seems you have to pick a product, and which one attracts my attention more. I like both of them. I would rather go with the financial fitness products. Oh, see, you need a credit card number. And I think this will pay you, well, you will have to pay $30 today and on $180 payable in $36 monthly payments, or pay $60 and $150 payable in $30 monthly payments. So that's about 5 months. The total price would be $300. But I'm not going to do this now because I don't want to do it. But this is basically the process. And this is the final trade line of the 4. Sorry about the short video. Not too much detail, not much explanation. But I just want to get it out the way so I can start talking about actual trade lines to put on your CPN.